Hello class, welcome to Math Media. Our topic for today is laws of identity, or we can call it the identity properties. Now, there are some very vital things in mathematics that we just need to know. And it will surprise you that up to now you go to classes in primary 1, GS1 and so on, you ask them 5 times 0, they'll be telling you the answer is 0 or the answer is 5. 5 times 1, some people say it's 1, some people say 5 and so on. Now, it's because they fail to understand the identity properties of mathematics. That's why they are giving us long answers. So let's take it quickly. We're taking the first additive, the identity property. The first identity property, we'll be looking at the additive identity property. I'll just start by saying that the additive identity is 0. Additive identity is 0. So now, what is the additive identity property? The additive identity property states that whenever 0 is added to a number, the result is that number. Or whenever a number is added to 0, the result is that real number. So see, we have 5 plus 0. The answer is a 5 because this guy is an additive identity, and whenever it is added to a real number, the result is that same number. That is the meaning of identity. Identity means it looks alike, it is the same, it is similar. We have, so if I have a plus 0, the answer is a. Take note, don't be confused. Whenever you have a number added to an additive identity, the result is that same number. Of course, if I have 0 plus b, the result is a b. So that is the additive property. We'll go straight to the second property. The second property is the subtractive identity property. So the subtractive identity property is also 0. The subtractive identity property, the subtractive identity is 0. And it states that whenever 0 is subtracted from a number, the result is that same number. So if I have 2 minus 0, the result is 0, the identity. Whenever I have 5 minus 0, the result is 5. If I have a minus 0, the result is a. Okay, let me throw this question, see if you understand. X minus 0 will give you what?
X.
Good, correct. The answer is X. So that is just, it is as simple as that. So just know that the subtractive identity is 0. And whenever a number is 0 is subtracted from a number, it gives you that number as the identity. All right, the third one we'll be looking at the multiplicative. The multiplicative identity property. All right, the multiplicative identity property is a 1. The multiplicative identity is 1. Multiplicative identity is 1. Don't forget, additive identity is a 0. Subtractive identity is a 0. Then the multiplicative identity is a 1. So this law states that whenever a number is multiplied by the multiplicative identity, which is 1, the result is that number. Or if the multiplicative identity is multiplied by the number, the result is 1. I think that is another property we call commutativity in mathematics. The commutativity property in mathematics says that. So let me just not just go to that. We'll look at that in another video. So we have 5 multiplied by 1. I know 5. The result is 5, identity. So the multiplicative identity is 1. So whenever 5 multiplies the multiplicative identity, the result is 1. Or whenever 1 multiplies the multiplicative identity multiplies a number, the result is also 5. So that's the multiplicative identity. So let's look at the last one we have for today, which is the division identity. Number 4, division identity. So the division identity property is also a 1. The division identity property is a 1. So now, this property says that whenever a number is divided by 1, the result is the number. So if we have 5 times 1, the result is 5. 10 times 1, divide 10 divided by 1, the result is 10. 50 divided by 1, the result is 50. 100 divided by 1, the result is 100. So let's see, 5 divided by 1, the result is 5. A divided by 1, the result is A. I think I will make another video. I'll make another video on the property of X. I will make another video on the property of X, mathematical X. All right, so A divided by 1 is equal to A. So any time a number is divided by the division property, which is 1, the result is that A number. All right, so that is the laws of identity or the identity property. I just showed us 4 identity property. We looked at the first one, which is the additive identity property, which is 0. Subtractive identity property, which is a 0, multiplicative identity property, which is a 1, and the division identity property, which is also a 1. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like, share, and follow me. Please like my video. If you want us to continue, like the video, click the like button, follow me, and also don't forget to share this video. Thank you very much.